Alright, so make a short little video just to show you guys what I'm doing to this pop-up piston here. So focus. Before, see, I got a little bit more to go on this side. But before, this is what it looked like. And this actually right here is too narrow. It's skinnier than the transfer ports. So what we do is on the exhaust side, on the intake side, bring it all the way back. Bring it back a lot farther, because they're narrower than the transfer ports. So here's, let's finally prop this up. This is a junk cylinder, so, but the transfer ports are the same width. So right there, you can see how much narrower it is. It's hard to do this with one hand while I'm holding the camera. But this side, bring it back to match. So if you look at it, it's a nice smooth transition into the transfer ports. Over here, look at that. That's 3/16 of an inch right there, to where that doesn't fully flow like it should. The top part on the exhaust side isn't bad, but I still match it a little bit. We're going to do that to both sides of this, and we're going to take all these, like if you look at the left side right here, how it's got that machine mark in there. Take that machine mark all the way out and smooth that all the way down. Gonna lose a lot of weight. Not a lot, but enough, in my opinion, that I think it'll help. And we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and put this piston back in the 290 that I just built. Well, 390, whatever you want to call it. And see what happens. And it's a pop-up, so we'll get a little bit more compression out of it. Got a brand new set of rings here too. We're gonna put it in the HIPAA cylinder. See what happens. Hopefully it'll bump her up a notch, because I don't know, it seemed like the 290 actually stock has a little bit more pep than the big bore kit. I think it's due to bore to stroke ratio, if that makes any sense to anybody, because all these saws have the same stroke but different bore. I think the 290, having the smaller bore with the same stroke, puts out just a little more power than the 64cc 390 bore, which is, I don't know, maybe, I can't remember, 49 millimeters maybe. But you can see what that highway cylinder did to this thing, where the plating was coming off. It was smashing into the top. Squish band's real tight on here, if the plating can do that to the top of the cylinder, or top of the piston. So we'll get this thing all cleaned up, lightened up, and we'll put it back in there. I'll show you guys. I'll make another video when I get it closer to being done. And this is all for fun. I ain't trying to make a living out of doing this or nothing, or trying to prove no points, but if it blows up, it blows up. Whoop-de-doo. We got another cylinder here, another piston. We'll make something out of it. Thanks for watching.